Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this Shiatsu Foot Massager, and this was sent to us by RENPHO for free for us to check out. Now, the one that we have right here is black. They do offer a few different colors, black, silver, white, and red. So we'll go ahead and place this box down here, get it out of our way, and then we will turn this around to where you guys can see this a little bit easier. All right, so you have a few options up front on here. You have your power button. Just push it, it automatically turns it on, and that begins the kneading and the air intensity and also the heat. Now, the heat cannot be used on its own, but the air intensity or the kneading can be used on their own. Has a timer on here. Whenever you first turn it on, it's gonna be set for 15 minutes, but you can push it again and do it for up to 30 minutes. They do not recommend using it for more than 30 minutes. Intensity on your kneading, you have a low, medium, and high. Same thing with the air intensity, low, medium, and high. Heat, it's either on or off. There's no change in that as far as the levels go. Now, how well does this work? Let me tell you, whenever you put your feet in here and you're like, oh, I'm just gonna get a little massage. Nope, if you turn this thing up to high on the air intensity and the knead intensity, it's going to give you a really good deep massage. And sometimes I'm like, whoa, that's a little bit too intense. So I gotta, bump it down. So yeah, really good job. But like I said, it does have those different intensities levels as far as the knead and the air intensity goes. So you can kind of dial it in to exactly what you want. And the kneading, that's pretty basic, explanatory. The air, at first I was like, oh, that's cool. It's gonna blow air around my feet. That's not what it does. It has like these little airbags in here, so it kind of like grips your feet, and then whenever it does that and the kneading, it like grips your feet and then it like kneads even harder is what it feels like. So it feels fantastic. If you're worried about this thing getting dirty with your feet, stuff like that, it does have these little zippers in here so you can pull these out and you can clean them. Same thing on the other one, pull them out and clean them. Me, I've just been putting my socks on and putting them in there and haven't had any issues with funky feet smell or anything like that. That's what I'll probably continue to do, is just clean my feet, put my socks in there, and I'm good to go. That way I don't have to worry about zipping and unzipping these, because they are very nice and neatly in there. So I'm concerned about how easy they are to put on and take off. So I haven't done that yet. I might do that here in a second, just so we can see if I succeed or fail with doing that. So let's get some close-up shots of this really quick, of me putting my feet in it and showing off the controls a little bit more. All right, so we have it set up on the floor now. I'm gonna go ahead and insert my feet. This is good for people for up to men's size 12. I am actually a size 12, and I got just a little bit of wiggle room. So if you have something bigger than 12, this is not going to work for you, unfortunately. But have our power button. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on, and immediately it begins to do that kneading and stuff. I'm gonna turn that all the way to high and turn the intensity of the air all the way to high. And right there, that's how it works. I've noticed, for me, it's more comfortable to try and be almost straight up and down in here. Whenever I go back like this, after a while, kind of gets uncomfortable. But yeah, that's pretty much up to you how you want to use it. I kind of just adjust back and forth, but I find it, whenever I'm straight up and down, to be just a little bit more comfortable. It's giving me quite the massage right now, but those are the controls. It's super easy, basic to use. Like I said, you just put your feet in there, you turn it on, and you have that timer between 15 minutes and 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and try and take out those little covers inside there and see how easy or hard that is to do. All right, so I got you guys up here on the table with me so we can see how we can get this taken out. So it's got your little zipper in here, and we'll get it out of there. There we go. And then it just unzips all the way around. Then it should come undone right there. And then I believe there's like a Velcro down here. Yep. There we go. Right there, there's a Velcro here that you have to undo. And then I think there's one more down here at the bottom. There we go. So there you go. The little booty thing right there that just comes out, and you can clean these in case they start to smell like feet. All right, so let's go ahead and put them back in, see how easy that is to do. So we've got our Velcro down there inside. I've got the Velcro here, so I'll put my hand in there to try and match it up as well as possible. I think, nope, wasn't quite on there. It's all the way back there in the back. So we'll go all the way back. And that time it Velcroed. And this one's Velcroed. Now, this is the part that I was worried with. Let's see how easy it is to connect this back on there. Little bit of a pain. I'm sure we could do it though. There we go. That wasn't too bad. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. And then you just go ahead and zip these on up. All the way around. Here we go. And then this thing kind of tucks away up underneath here to ensure that it doesn't come undone and makes it a little bit more comfortable when you slide your feet in there. There we go, look at that. That was a lot easier than what I thought it was gonna be. No need to dread that, there we go. So, super easy to take those out and put them back in as well. All right, so that's pretty much everything there is to know about this product. Again, this is a Shiatsu foot massager and it is from RENPHO. Go ahead and check it out.